Hey, by God, that does have a meat texture to it. Hey, welcome back, Van here. We're going to be trying out some Pan's mushroom jerky. Hey, I bought this online. I'm not sponsored or anything by them. I bought this because I looked up something unique in jerky, and I found Pan's mushroom jerky. I'll leave a link to their website and video description down below so you can find the story there. But I will tell you that he made it to the Shark Tank, and what I like about this guy is he reminds me of back when I used to make and sell jerky, because he said he was a solo entrepreneur, and that reminded me a lot of myself, getting out there hustling and trying to do it all. So we've got original, we've got zesty Thai, we've got salt and pepper, and applewood barbecue. Pan's original mushroom jerky. Let's try it first. All right, we're gonna open it up. I'm not sure if that smells like a mushroom. Let's give it a shot. Hey, by God, that does have a meat texture to it. But I don't know. I'm not too hip on this one. I mean, it's got meat texture, but I'm not down with the Pan's mushroom original jerky. Or yeah, mushroom jerky. No. No. I don't even know how to describe that. Raisins, maybe. A prune. Maybe coffee. A coffee flavor. I don't know. I'm not down with that one, but I'll eat it. Zesty Thai. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, that's what we got. It looks like it's got a lot of seasoning to it. I just don't know. I wish Matt was here to try this with me. I mean, it's almost got the same flavor as the last one. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know. I don't know really what to say about that. Shiitake. I thought it was portobello. Maybe it was shiitake mushrooms. You know, it's like a prune. It's got the texture of a prune. Let's go with the Pan's mushroom applewood barbecue. I mean, I could get used to eating it, I guess. If I wanted to get rid of eating red meat, I guess I could get used to eating this. Let's give it to what, fire? Get in there and get it. I cannot open this bag. Alright, barbecue, here we come. It's got the same smell as the other two. That's what you got. You ever had dehydrated apples? Not freeze-dried apples, but dehydrated apples? That's about with the texture I got with this one. And it tastes like it. It's applewood. Holy crap. For real, I tasted apples, but it's applewood. I mean, it smells just like the other ones. If you're looking for beef jerky flavor, you're not going to get that. I'm not getting it in this. I'm getting like that. I'm not getting the barbecue on this. All I'm getting is an apple taste. So far, I'm highly disappointed in the way I thought this was going to be. Because that reminded me of an apple, man. I mean, like a dehydrated apple. Pan's mushroom, salt, and pepper. Let's try this one. I don't know, man. It's a big piece. Smells the same as the. It smells exactly the same as the other ones. Is it going to have a salt and pepper taste to it, or is it going to? I mean, let's give it a shot. I don't know, man. This one has no flavor. I mean, I don't even get the pepper taste. I don't even get the pepper taste in this one. Now, I think I'm getting a little bit of pepper taste. I mean, it looks like meat. It looks like meat. It's got to be meat. It's not. It looks like meat. I'd eat it because I bought it. But the thing is, would I buy it again? I don't think so. I was really excited about this, but I'm at a loss for words now. If you want to try Pan's mushroom jerky, I'll leave a link down in the video description down below. You can go get it and try it out. I kind of feel bad now because I thought it was gonna be I thought this was gonna be a one badass video of some really kick-ass jerky, but it's not. Oh well. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've ever tried Pan's mushroom jerky and what you think about it, because to me it tastes like it's got the texture of prunes, and I really can't describe what it tastes like, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm out. I'm out. Oh my God. Pan's mushroom jerky. It ain't good. I think I got one stuck on the exit. Oh man, 15 minutes in here so far.